Welcome to my crib. It's not my crib. It's an Airbnb. So welcome to our Airbnb. Airbnb costs $100 and something. When I figure it out, I'm just going to put it on the screen. So this is my first apartment tour, or this is my second apartment tour.
Yes.
Yeah. The first one was not really, there. So we have, I don't know if we used to do this thing. This is the door. We have the door. When you come in, you are going to be greeted with this beautiful view here. Yes, that view. I love this part of the house. This part right here. I love the whole detailing here, and you can just keep your slippers here when you get in. And I so much love this. And the chairs, like it has this outdoor feeling to it, the whole green carpet, grass, and all those things here. Wooden interiors. I love everything. Look at, I love this. I love this. Also, I love the studio. This kind of like studio light. I love the lighting in this apartment. It's really nice. They also have this same decoration stuff here. The whole outdoor vibes. It's beautiful. Even they took it to the painting that they hung up here too.
Formula 1.
Formula 1.
You always have Formula 1 on TV.
I also love what they did here. This is the kitchen.
The entrance to the kitchen.
Yeah, this is the entrance to the kitchen. It leads to the kitchen. So I love this, the vibe going on here. I really love it. So let's get into the kitchen now.
Yeah, I hate
What I
this
hate
door.
about the kitchen though.
This door is terrible.
It's stiff. But yeah.
It's very stiff. That's what she said.
The kitchen is small but cute. Here we have the cupboard. It houses the fridge. What do they call this thing again? Microwave. In here we went shopping a little bit, so we have stuffs in here.
Some spices, syrup.
Yeah.
All the good stuff.
Yeah. And then you guys know what this one is. I don't need to spell it out for you. We have everything here. Oh, we also have stuffs inside here too. Indomie.
All the Indomies.
All the Indomies. We have eggs. We made breakfast this morning, so eggs are missing. So I think, yeah, that's that for the kitchen. It's cute. They have this black and white theme going on here in the kitchen. It's kind of like milkish, beige, something like that. We have the house rules here. Guys, when we actually saw this thing on the Airbnb app, I was weirded out with this house rules because it reminded me of the movie The Boy. So yeah, I think they got this inspiration from The Boy. It's weird. And the whole outdoor vibes, again, I love this painting. I love it so much. Even this wallpaper they use here, the brick wallpaper, I love it so much. I really love the lighting in this house. love white interior. So here is the passage or the corridor. Stuffs like that. This is the corridor or the passage. Oh, I also love the colors. It's not just white, they had to paint it black. Babe, I love it. Now we're heading to the room. So this is the room where the magic happens.
Oh jeez.
Yeah. Yes, so this is the room. This is the bed. It's so comfortable. So yeah, this is the bed. This is like the bed frame. What we call the bed frame, right? I love this, guys. I so much love this. I love the lights behind it. I love this design. Everything is just like they brought the whole outdoor vibes to in here. Nature vibes. You can see this here as well. I love this. The lights, everything. So on this side of the room you have like the ironing table, the iron. This is my mini ring light. Here you have the TV, another beautiful TV right here. You can see this. I love this guys. I love all this. You can put stuffs here. So this is another compartment. So we have stuffs in here, which is really beautiful. Another AC, guys. And here, bathroom rooms. So we're going to check the bathroom out in a bit. Guys, again, I love the lighting in this house. The whole studio light. You can actually move it to your satisfaction. So here we have the wardrobe. I'm not going to show you guys what's inside the wardrobe.
Yeah.
This is the wardrobe. Then here you have a little mirror here. So cute. And another wardrobe. This is my bag. This is my handbag, my little stuffs here. So over here we have like this mini, should I call it a workstation or a reading table?
Yeah, like a workstation.
Yeah. This chair is so nice, so aesthetic. I love this chair. This chair has been raining a lot recently in this Nigeria. So here my boo has his stuffs here. So this is his little compartments right there. Now we are heading to the bathroom where business goes down to.
By business you mean poop?
Yeah.
No. So this is the bathroom. They also brought that whole outdoor vibes in here. I don't really know how I feel about black tiles in the bathroom, but it's working for me so far. I don't know, I just feel like it's creative what they did in this bathroom. They put like stones in there. So yeah, you really need to watch your steps in the bathroom. But it's nice. I like it. They did this here. In the mirror too, they were also creative here. The whole wooden vibes. There's not much to see here. It's just toilets and bathroom. So it's cute, it's little, it's nice. I love it. And yeah. So guys, this is the end of my 1-bedroom apartment Airbnb. Thank you for seeing my nature-like house or home or apartment. It's not my house, so it's Airbnb. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and do like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video.